y'all, so today what I'm gonna have to do is touch up some paint. I chipped it when I chipped some paint, and I'll show you right now when I was removing the seats in order to soundproof the rest of the cab. Alright, so I have some of this duplicolor, and I believe they carry this at some auto parts stores. Anyways, this has the exact paint coat that I need. My 18 Ram is a bright white. It has some clear coat. Let me actually read off what it says. Alright, so it says scratch fix all in one, paint, prep, and clear. So first you need to prep it. Abrasive tip removes loose paint and rust. Step 2, paint it. And this says 1 coat prime and paint formula, 2 applicators precision pen tip for fine scratches, taper brush for larger chips. Alright, and the third step is sealing it. So the clear coat, ultra smooth foam applicator for the perfect factory finish and protection. Alright, by no means is it going to be a factory finish due to the fact that it's not getting painted for the first time. And I mean, it's a touch-up pen. It's not going to be perfect. Alright, so it's pretty cool, and this shows you just a cool little diagram of how to remove it and what really comes out, because the pen is there's 3 different ways you can remove it. There's a top cap, another cap, and then a cap for the clear coat. Alright y'all, so I'm not sure if you can see it. I have a flashlight on it, and there's a small paint chip that I have. Now this can work anywhere else on your truck. This happened when I was removing some seats so I can get under the carpet and soundproof it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Step 1 is to prep it, and this is just off of the tip. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so this is just the tip. You just go ahead and clean up anything that might be in there. Alright, so there it is. Alright, step 2, paint it. 1 coat prime and paint formula, 2 applicators. Alright, so first we're going to do the paint. Alright, so for this, we need to actually remove this top portion that we used to clean it. Go ahead and give it a shake. And there's a small, very fine tip. Alright, now you actually press down, and I believe that releases some of the paint. It needs to be filled in there. And there it slowly starts coming out. Just go ahead and fill it in. And that is good. This pen, you can actually unscrew this, and it's actually a small brush too, so that's pretty cool. I guess that's what it meant when it said two applicators, precision pen tip for fine scratches, taper brush for larger chips. After looking at this a little more. Alright, so next step is I'm gonna allow that to dry, and I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna unscrew the bottom and go ahead and use the clear coat to go ahead and cover up the paint. I'm gonna give that 15-30 minutes. Alright y'all, so it's been about an hour. Kinda got distracted with something else, so it's definitely dry enough to throw on some clear coat. So go ahead and get the small sponge out of here, just unscrew it counterclockwise. Alright, dab it off, and essentially just gonna go ahead and paint it on there. Won't take much. This is just going to seal the paint. That's about it. Everything is good to go. Alright y'all, so that does it for this round. Definitely something you should keep track of, something you should seal up, because that paint, that clear coat really chips off. What gets under it is the water on metal, and that's when it begins to rust. And so that's why you just want to touch up the paint and then just throw in some clear coat right on top of it to seal the paint. I'll go ahead and post the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know. Also, if you're not subscribed to my page, please consider subscribing. Please and thank you. Until next time, ciao.